Another day, another story. Arctotherium, bear beast, is an extinct genus of the Pleistocene short-faced bears endemic to Central and South America. Arctotherium migrated from North America to South America during the Great American Interchange, following the formation of the Isthmus of Panama during the late Pliocene. The genus consists of one early giant form of angustidens, and several succeeding smaller species, which were within the size range of modern bears. Welcome to Tabo Eminent Channel. Arctotherium was adapted to open and mixed habitat. They are genetically closer to the spectacled bear, Tremarctos ornatus, than to Arctos of North America, implying the two extinct forms evolved large size in a convergent manner. Arctotherium is an extinct genus of bears that lived during the Pleistocene epoch, which lasted from about 2.6 million to 11,700 years ago. These bears were among the largest terrestrial mammals of their time. The name Arctotherium is derived from the Greek words arktos, meaning bear, and therion, meaning wild beast. Arctotherium species are commonly referred to as short-faced bears due to their distinctive facial anatomy, featuring a short snout compared to other bear species. They were primarily found in South America, and their fossils have been discovered in various countries, including Argentina, Uruguay, and Venezuela. Size and adaptations: Arctotherium angustidens was a giant among bears, with estimates suggesting it could weigh up to 3,500 kilograms, 7,700 pounds, or more. This massive size likely made it one of the apex predators of its time. Its short-faced morphology and robust limbs are considered adaptations for a predatory lifestyle. Habitat and distribution: Arctotherium species were primarily distributed in South America, and their fossils have been found in a range of environments, including grasslands and forests. Their ability to adapt to various habitats might have contributed to their widespread distribution across the continent. Ecological role: as one of the largest predators in Pleistocene South America, Arctotherium angustidens likely played a crucial role in shaping the ecosystem. Its presence would have influenced the behavior and distribution of other species, contributing to the complex ecological dynamics of the time. Interaction with megafauna: during the Pleistocene, South America was home to various megafauna, including giant ground sloths and saber-toothed cats. Arctotherium would have interacted with these species, possibly competing for resources or even preying on some of them. Understanding these interactions helps researchers reconstruct the ancient ecosystems. Extinction and human influence: while environmental changes, such as shifts in climate and vegetation, likely played a role in the decline of Pleistocene megafauna, including Arctotherium, the arrival of humans in the Americas may have accelerated their extinction. Overhunting by early human populations, coupled with habitat changes and other human activities, could have contributed to the demise of these massive bears. Fossil discoveries: fossil discoveries of Arctotherium species, including well-preserved skulls and bones, have provided valuable insights into their anatomy, behavior, and evolutionary history. These findings have helped paleontologists piece together the puzzle of this giant bear's existence. Evolution: Arctotherium is part of the Tremarctinae subfamily of bears, otherwise known as the short-faced bears, which also includes Arctos, North American short-faced bears, and Tremarctos, the Floridian and modern spectacled bear. Tremarctinae originate with their common ancestor, Pleonarctos, in the Middle Hemphillian, earliest late Miocene, 10 Ma, of North America. Pleonarctos is last recorded in the early Blancan, early Pliocene, 3.3 Ma. Around the Miocene-Pliocene boundary, 5 Ma, Tremarctines, along with other ursids, experienced an explosive radiation in diversity, as C4 vegetation, grasses, and open habitats dominated. The world experienced a major temperature drop and increased seasonality, and a faunal turnover which extinguished 60 to 70% of all Eurasian faunal genera, and 70 to 80% of North American genera. Distribution and habitat: almost all Arctotherium species appear to be largely restricted to the southern cone, particularly Argentina, with the richest records being in the Buenos Aires province. The exceptions are a possible record of A. vetustum in Brazil, a Blanken-age unassigned Arctotherium tooth from El Salvador, and A. wingae, which almost exclusively inhabited a more northern range. Middle Pleistocene onwards. It has been suggested that as a diverse carnivore guild became established in South America, the Arctotherium genus began to revert to more classic ursid diets as the ecosystem matured in the Middle Pleistocene. After A. angustidens became extinct, two forms begin to appear in the fossil record. The A. bonariense, A. terrestrial species complex was composed of adaptable, cosmopolitan omnivores, whereas A. vetustum and A. wingae were largely herbivorous. However, as A. vetustum and A. wingae are the most archaic species of Arctotherium, their lineage must have existed before the emergence of A. angustidens in the Incedent period of the early Pleistocene. Paleo-ecological reconstructions. Although mostly herbivorous, the modern spectacled bear is on occasion an active predator. The spectacled bear has several hunting techniques. Principally, the bear surprises or overpowers its prey, mounts its back, and consumes the immobilized animal while still alive, pinning the prey with its weight, large paws and long claws. Alternatively, the bear pursues the prey into rough terrain, hillsides, or precipices, provoking its fall and/or death. After death, the prey is dragged to a safe place, usually a nest over a tree, or a forested area, and consumed, leaving only skeletal remains. These behaviors have been suggested as Arctotherium's hunting strategies as well. However, although the spectacled bear is capable of climbing trees, Arctotherium is thought to be non-arboreal. Extinction. The last known records of Arctotherium are an ambiguous find of A. bonariense from Uruguay, cf./af, either 36,900 or 14,485 BP of the Sopas Formation, A. terrestrial at 10,345 BP in the Cueva del Puma, Patagonia, Chile, and A. wingae at 12,850 BP in the Sistema Sacachin, Yucatan, Mexico, with a possible record of 9,000 BP in Muaco, Venezuela. Interestingly, the remains of A. wingae in the Hoyo Negro of the Yucatan appear to be in association with human remains. Tremarctos does not appear in the South American fossil record until the Holocene, suggesting that the extant spectacled bear descends from an independent, later dispersal event from North America to that of Arctotherium, possibly after A. wingae became extinct in the Americas. The modern spectacled bear may have hybridized with Arctotherium as they migrated southwards into South America. Globally, in the Quaternary extinction event, extinction favored conservative morphologies in ursid body plans, such as those found in the T. ornatus. In summary, Arctotherium angustidens was a remarkable species of bear that dominated the Pleistocene landscapes of South America. Its massive size, unique adaptations, and interactions with other megafauna make it a fascinating subject for paleontological research, contributing to our understanding of prehistoric ecosystems and the factors influencing the extinction of large mammals. Thanks for watching. Request you to subscribe the channel.